Okay, so here's Kitty, and Kitty's about to drive a helicopter. You nosedive into the void twice already. This is why we don't let you drive. This is why we don't let you drive, because you
I'm not
drove
that
once.
bad.
You drove once and you drove straight into a wall. Why do you keep going into the ground? You literally drove once and you drive straight into a wall. This is why we don't let you drive or fly helicopters.
Wow. You don't
Yeah,
trust me?
I went there. I went there. Don't even
You
go
don't
there.
trust me?
Don't even go there. I trust you,
You
but
don't
I just don't trust you with driving and flying helicopters.
You are not feeling.
Well, I'm sorry. Go ahead and
Whoop, up,
drive.
up, and away.
Oh. Oh. This is why we don't let you drive. This is the third time you crashed that plane. Not plane, helicopter. God dang
Shut
it.
up, Noah.
No.
I will grapple your face. I will grapple your face.
Alright.
Go wild Noah on my ass.